Good morning. Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. Today we're going to look at my dead garden. But the exciting news is we're just about ready to get some seedlings started in the next few weeks. We're going to clean up this garden, get some starts back, well, not back, but in the ground. Come on, let's go. Let's go take a little mini tour and see what's going on. Here we go. Okay, so let's just take a look at this garden, shall we? Let me see if I can turn this around. Okay, so it's been really rainy, windy, storming in California. But look at that beautiful carnation saying good morning. The lavender is saying hello. The rainbow chard, bok choy, they're coming along. This is the celery we put in here. But then we have, oh, look at these carrots. I'll be honest, it's been raining so much I haven't been out here. Woohoo! So what you're gonna look for in these carrots is you're gonna look for the tops poking out. And so what I love about carrots is I love to find one where the top's coming out, and then that's my snack while I'm out in the garden. So none of that, but really looking good. This is just a weed. I'm letting it grow to keep the soil healthy. This is some more carrots. They're not, I guess the soil may not be as good over here because they're not doing as well. And this is actually turnips. So these seeds have been in here for quite some time. So it looks like maybe they're growing now. These are the flowers, they're gone. Rainbow chard again, coming right along. This one's dark, so it's hard to see. Whoa, my flowers. See, I haven't been out here in the garden because it's been so rainy. Probably need to cut these back a little bit. These are my black carnations for my Nelly bugs. Someday these are gonna actually have buds and produce some black carnations one day. Yeah, and these are just waiting for something. So now let's see. Oh my goodness. All right, keep an eye out for presents from Ritzy. Oh, my sunflowers, Steve's sunflowers they're toast, guys. It's been a week, so we need to get some of this off of here. Just tear those off. They'll come right off. Put them back in the ground so they can compost. Even though I don't actually plant in the garden bed because we have such a bad gopher population. We keep working on it, but I don't know. They kind of visit the neighbor, and then, you know, they don't know boundaries, so they come on our side. So our pepper is going to get all that out. We're going to get all of these items. These were my shishitos. We'll get those out and just get the, look at all these. I bet you these are all sunflowers starting to bud. We'll have to clean that out. The last thing we need is that many sunflowers. But look, they're all over because the birds, this is the area. Let me see if I can get back a little bit and show you. This is the area where I had the majority of my sunflowers, and so the birds would just drop these seeds. You see, they're all in the flower bed as well. So we'll clear that out. This, I don't even know what that is. This was broccoli, but it died, so nothing in there. This, yeah, this is a bell pepper. We'll take that off. Get these all cleaned out. These are the flowers. Everything finally died off, basically, guys, except for this is broccoli. It's coming along. More broccoli. Yep. So coming along. This just needs to be cleaned out. It's time. So I was waiting. This is kale, because this kale in here was actually a pest pressure plant from last year, and it just stayed all summer long and helped me with the pest pressure. So we'll get all these old tomato vines finally clipped. It's time. Everything is dead. It's time. All right, I'm giving in. This is my one of my tomato plants. See, it's still trying, but it's time. It's time to get all this cleaned out and get ready. As soon as we have some sun, we're supposed to have some sun today, but I got to run to the office. So if it doesn't rain tomorrow, then I'll get in here, snip all this old stuff. Here's some more. It's either broccoli or cauliflower. I'm not sure which. Doing just fine. Yeah. What do you think? I think it's time. Yeah, it's time. It's time. And then, oh my gosh, look at this artichoke plant. I need to cut those limbs back. It is happier than happy, that's for sure. My petite marigolds finally gave up. This is some more, I'm not sure, it's either cauliflower or broccoli. And then here we got purple, I think it's cauliflower. Broccoli, I don't know, cauliflower or broccoli, one of the two. So they seem to be doing good. They love the rainwater. Oh my gosh, gophers. Yeah, me and gophers. Yeah, we don't have a relationship at all. As far as I'm concerned, they're very unnecessary. Brand new. Those marigolds held on, didn't they? But yeah, this is my sadness right here. Do you remember the last video, how beautifully green and flourishing this plant was? Yeah. So it finally bit the dust. I'm not sure what it was exactly, because it really hasn't been that cold, but maybe it's just all the rain, which, I don't know, maybe, baby. So we've got a bunch of clover in with this rainbow chard that just doesn't seem to be doing much of anything over here. Cosmos, beautiful. All right, so this is my bok choy over here. Woo! Very slippery. Bok choy. This is a garlic. Oh, look. This one's not growing, but look at, oh my gosh, I was gonna say it hasn't started growing yet, but look, it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. The garlic's coming up, guys. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. I wasn't sure if I had just waited too long, but we're good. Yay. This is another old kale plant that I used for pest pressure, and it's still kicking. It's still kicking. All right, so we're gonna get the flower beds all cleaned out. There's a few starts that are still viable. I moved these over here. There's still a few that are viable. Let's get them in the ground. And look at these strawberries. Ritzy. Well, look at this is all, it's been raining. So the strawberries, they're still trying. They are still trying. Oh, this is, watch out, Ritzy. Watch out, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Say hello, peoples. It's okay. Go on. Get. This is a sunflower. Look at it. I'm just crazy about sunflowers, so yeah, it kind of broke because it's been so windy, and I kind of had it up like this, but once it got really windy, it yeah, there we go. We'll see if we can't help you along. These are all dead. Like, I need to cut everything back. Get in here. These are my chives. I've never seen my chives like this, so I don't know. Maybe time to really cut them back as well. Normally, I don't know. I don't normally have this, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's so different about this year. This is, I need to get this stuff off of here. This is just whenever I pulled weeds, and then it's been raining, so I haven't been able to get out here and get stuff handled. this zinnia finally gave up. Do you remember this? It gave up finally. Bless its heart. So yeah, so the season's changed completely here. We are definitely in winter. The plants are showing it, and it's time to start planting. I'm going to get out here just as soon as we have enough sun in the day and it's not too cold, so that I can get the beds all prepped. Something growing in there. I'm not sure what that is exactly. I did have some celosia, but it obviously died. This is pink celery. It's perfectly happy here. I think my pepper plant has seen better days. I think I'm gonna cut this one back today. Well, not today, but maybe tomorrow. These are gone. This is my avocado plant, still looking pretty good. Those are potatoes. I don't even know. That was just a volunteer that was left in the soil, I guess. I didn't realize it. So we'll just let it do its thing. Of course, the lettuce is looking marvelous. It loves all this rain, for sure. So we'll just turn this around and let it grow. All right, guys, so thanks for hanging out with me today. Just wanted to do a quick update, show that in fact the garden beds, they're pretty much dead, except for, of course, the winter crops, the fall winter crops of broccoli that actually made it into the buckets. Just a really weird season. I wasn't able to get them in there. It was too hot, and then it started raining. It was too cold. It's just been a crazy fall winter, and you know, a fall winter crop is always a gamble, no doubt about it. But you know, gardening's in my blood. It's what keeps me sane, so stick around. Next up, I'm probably going to show a time lapse possibly of getting the beds ready, what I do with my containers to make sure the soil stays good and healthy for what we're going to be planting soon. We'll take a look at the garden planner, see what we're going to plot out, get these last few starts from fall winter that are still hanging on, get those in the ground in buckets, and then start planning what seeds we're going to start with. We'll start with stuff like cucumbers, you know, cool weather crops. We'll start with some of those. I already have carrots going, I already have celery going. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll get to planning, and that'll be the next video. We'll see you then. Bye now.